Hey kindergartners! Today we are going to make a sculpture. So I'm your art teacher, I'm Miss Keenan. I can't wait till I get to meet you in person. A sculpture is a piece of art that instead of being flat, it pops up off the page. Or, for example, something like this would be a sculpture. Or if you have a stuffed animal, that's kind of like a sculpture. So instead of being a picture that's flat on the page, it's three-dimensional. It's fat, not flat. So we're going to design, I like to say I'm designing a playground. So you can think about it in terms of putting lots of tunnels and ladders and slides and monkey bars and bridges all over your paper to design the coolest playground you've ever seen. So we're going to make 3 things with our paper today. To do your project, you're going to need the piece of green paper that comes from the packet you got when you picked up your Chromebook. And then you need a whole bunch of colored strips that should have also been in your packet. You probably got some brown strips. Don't use those today because those are for the project we're going to do on Wednesday. So save those, but all of the other colors you could use. So the first thing we're going to make is a bridge. So something like this that we might want to put on our paper. But if I try to put this down flat, I can't glue it. So before you put your bridge down, you've got to make some feet. So I'm going to take the bottoms of my paper and I'm just going to fold them up and squish it really good so my bridge gets a little foot. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to try to glue that down to my paper like this. One thing you have to keep in mind is that glue is not magical. It only sticks if you put some pressure on it and you count to 10. So I'm going to add the glue to the bottom of my feet and arch it over, and I'm going to press and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I have a cool bridge for my playground. Next, let's do a zigzag. To do a zigzag, you're going to take your paper and you're going to take the end of it and fold it backwards and then forwards and backwards until you get the entire thing folded into a zigzag. I'm going to push and squish, so I get a cool zigzag like that I could add to my paper. I'm going to put the glue on the feet, the 2 squares on the ends, and then I could add that to my sculpture. Remember to push and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last thing I'm going to make is a curl. I'm going to find something that's a cylinder that's round, like a marker or a crown or a pencil. I'm going to put the end of the paper on it, and then I'm going to roll, 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 and kind of squish it while I'm rolling it. Pretend like you're using a curling iron on your paper. And then when you take it off, you should have a cool design like that you could add to your sculpture. Remember, you've got to press it down and hold it on the glue for at least 10 seconds so it doesn't come off. Now, when you make your sculpture with all the other strips you have, you could decide if you want curls or bridges or zigzags on your playground. If you want to draw some stuff, you could put pathways or gardens. You can make swings. Maybe you could think of something to do with your strips that I didn't think of and add that to your playground. They could go under each other and over top of each other and weave all different directions. After you make your sculpture, hold on to it until tomorrow because we're going to post it in our online art gallery. I'm going to post a video of how to do that tomorrow. So hold on to this and look for a video that shows you what to do next. I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye.